which is adjudged as the best priced among the competing premium brands. This artificial grass is another product of Pet Zen Garden, the maker of high-quality grass patches. It is especially designed to provide durability, functionality, and aesthetic quality. It's crafted against the natural look of fescue with a combination of 1.7-inch grass blades and 4-tone hues. It looks very authentic, and no one can tell otherwise. Pet Zen Garden Premium Artificial Grass can withstand heavy rain and scorching heat of the surf because of the yarn materials are 100% weather resistant. The heavier and denser turf produce an extra lush, softer feel. The rubber backing keeps the grass patches in place so kids and pets are safe to play. Being the tallest pile on our top 5 list, this most budget-friendly product can be trimmed easily. You can also choose between long and straight layers or short and curly layers to fit your outdoor and indoor setting. It's the ideal fake grass for your pets too. The polypropylene blades of the grass do not absorb pee or poop odors, while the drainage holes make cleaning easier. Occasionally hosing down will keep it odor-free and hygienic, and it's completely lead-free too. Before we head on to the next product, we just want to ask you, do you have a product or category in mind that you want us to review? Leave a comment below, and we might already have it. If not, we'll be glad to have our experts research it for you.